When your SQLAlchemy app slows down, the N+1 query problem is often the culprit. We asked two leading AI models, Gemini and Grok, to fix a classic N+1 issue in a sample codebase. Gemini suggested using joined loading with select and load, while Grok recommended subquery loading with contains_eager. Both solutions eliminate the extra queries, but they differ in execution. Gemini's approach is straightforward and works well for most cases, while Grok's method gives finer control over the SQL. We tested both on a dataset of 10,000 records, measuring query counts and response times. Gemini reduced queries from over 10,000 to just one, while Grok achieved the same with a slightly different join strategy. The real takeaway: both AIs understand the problem and offer viable fixes, but your choice depends on your specific data relationships and performance needs. Understanding the trade-offs between eager loading and explicit joins helps you pick the right tool for your next optimization task.